Take your favorite childhood treat to a whole new level with these chocolate peanut butter rice Krispie treats. Ingredients: peanut butter, unsalted butter, marshmallows, crispy rice cereal, chocolate bark, and flaked sea salt. Make rice Krispie treats, melting the peanut butter in with the butter. Pour the mixture into a pan that has been prepped with butter. Once cool enough to touch, gently press down on the top of the mixture to compact the treats. While the treats are cooling, place the chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave for 60 seconds, then remove it to stir. Continue to microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until the chocolate is fully melted. Carefully pour the melted chocolate on top of the treats and spread it into an even layer with the back of a spoon. Sprinkle the top with salt and allow the bars to cool for 2 hours. Sprinkle the tops with a little more salt if desired, and enjoy!